Looks like a cool place, very artistic. Our first impression, I got my GA ticket right now. There are different names for the halls. This is a spine hall. I'm looking for the locker area. You know, security told me to put my stuff in. And he said it's free. It seems like here, last time it was Supreme Court, and now they changed to National Gallery. Wow, look at that. Wow, very artistic exhibition right here. The kids will love it. And inside there are more, man. Let's have a look. Is that a snowman or something? I'm just randomly walking because it has been 1 or 2 years since I've returned here. There's some nice exhibits. And the kids will love it. Oh, look at the sofa. Can I sit here? Hey, it's a fully functional sofa, man. Look at this. What is it up to, man? I just saw it move. Wait. Oh, it stopped moving. But they want... Oh, here it goes again. This kind of animal creature. Oi. So as I mentioned earlier, this place it used to be the Supreme Court. So it's very big, and all the big cases are handled here. Welcome the National Gallery Singapore. Shop houses, you know. And once they can pray, but it's a kind of hard. Press to open. Oh, what a big Singaporama. Very nice. There are more galleries over here. UOB Southeast Asia Galleries 1 to 4. It's very big, man. I think I just saw a kitchen. So basically the main galleries are UOB Southeast Asia Galleries, level 3 and level 5. Level 4 there's a discovery space and run on level 1. But level 1 is very nice for photo taking. When I speak, I feel I can hear the echo. From here I can see Marina Bay Sands. Gallery 1, 2, Authority, Anxiety. Oh. Very dark. Oh, these are the items given to Singapore. Brazilian bricks. Ceremonial cloth from Lampong. Very quiet also. But a nice lamps. Look at this, very special. Family, with the names as well. Gallery 3 to 5, Imagine Country and Self. Red and white photos. They're more there. This one should be nice. Let me see it. Take a look. Oh, it's a bit blurred. But the actual one is on top of the photo. Right here. Wounded lion. 受伤的狮子. So many paintings. That's amazing. The most striking is the tigers. call this a courtroom 1. 1939. Oh, that's where the judge will stand, right? Or sit, right? The area. Laws of our land. These are some of the laws, labor laws, Employment Act. The in front, stand guard for our motherland. Those chased away from their land. What a colorful, bright, interesting art here. Oh, that's a skeleton scaring people. Cuối cùng, this one is by Boeing, by Vietnam. Cuối cùng means the final. Gallery 7. You know, the job here seems pretty boring. So you'll be standing here with aircon and art all by yourself, facing them from morning 8 to 5 p.m. But it's good if you like peace and meditation. You know, that one looks very like, for the accused, right? The accused is standing there to listen to the judgment, the sentence. Looks scary. No entry. Gallery 9 and then post-World War II period. There are some portraits of women. Chinese woman in white cheongsam. Imagine staying here. Imagine you live here. It'll take a long time to go downstairs. Singtel Special Exhibition. There's a City Hall chamber here. I saw some interesting stuff, the street food of Singapore or something. National Day Observance Ceremony. And the army soldiers. Oh, this is a typewriter or something. Very interesting. Press place bar to start the play. This is MRT, right? I hate all men. A Singapore girl says a Singapore girl. This is 1960. How many years ago? 36 years ago. No, mere spectators making of multicultural Singapore. But here's one more interesting. Look at that. There's a Prime Minister Lee Kuan Yew, right? Addressing an audience at City Hall in 1959. So this place, they call it listening to architecture. Lots of old stuff here. Designing the former Supreme Court. There's even the World War II British military steel helmet. At the top is less cold. And they say there's a Supreme Court win in the UOB Southeast Asian Gallery 12 to 14. So after these 3 galleries, then we'll U-turn to the rooftop gallery garden, Alright, then mystical dome-shaped stuff. Going up to UOB Southeast Asia Gallery, which is in front, upstairs. Later we'll be meeting the Hokkien uncle and auntie. They are stationed there. I think it's a good job for them. It's very peaceful here, and they get paid quite a big sum of money. I think about 3,000. Between decoration and dreams. So I've been to 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10. Now come with the final one, man. More art exhibition here. That's kind of scary, right? There are mirrors also. Alright, from the top floor, you can actually see lots of stuff here. Not only people selfies, right, but you can sit down as well. I think it's a good spot for photo taking and to rest. Okay. Now I'm going to check this Antifong roof garden at level 5. Let's go. This one is the pool. Outside one is manual. I mean, the one below, they are like automatic doors. This one is manual. Wow. Lucky the rain has stopped or something. Oh, there's an orange structure in front, and you can see the church behind it. And of course the stuff. Not bad. There's a nice structure over there. It looks like the wind chimes, but a jumbo version of it. That's about it. Hey, there's some water there. Okay. So today's visit is not something I expected at all, because there are some new exhibits, and then the place seemed to be bigger than I thought. I think last time I came, I didn't explore the Ng Teng Fong Roof Garden Gallery and certain galleries, but now I find that it's really the art gallery. But you can learn something about Singapore history. By the way, this is a toilet area. Okay, so the lift is the other side. There's still a lot of art pieces here, and I think I saw a little cafe at the corner, right side. What they have here, man? Ice cream and some burrito, burrata. Well, the map in front seems pretty cool. Maybe it's at the back. There's a shop in front. These are lotus flower. There are some nice shop here, gallery as well as a Kopi cafe right at the corner. It's a nice visit and raining in Singapore. Oh, here's the church. There's a church cathedral, the white color one. I believe the name is St. Andrews. And now it's like about 7 p.m. Maybe there's some of the blessing and mass And this way you can walk to the City Hall MRT. It's actually just on the balcony 45 degrees from where I'm standing. Bring your umbrella, man. Raining weather. So hope you guys enjoy the little tour of this National Gallery. And yeah, I'd like to see you guys in my next video. And take care everyone. Bye bye.